You survived Monday. God will strengthen you for tomorrow. It's Monday night. You made it through the first day of the week, but making it through doesn't mean you feel strong. You feel drained, depleted, like Monday took everything from you. Maybe the day didn't go the way you planned. Maybe something went wrong that you didn't expect. Maybe you're already exhausted, and it's only Monday. Maybe you're wondering how you'll survive the rest of the week if day one already broke you. You pushed through today, but tonight you're lying here thinking, I don't have the strength for tomorrow. The meetings you have to face, the problems you have to solve, the pressure you have to carry, the energy you have to find, when you have nothing left to give. And the worst part, you're supposed to rest tonight, but fear is louder than peace. You're supposed to sleep, but worry won't stop whispering, what if you can't do this again tomorrow? Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need strength for the whole week tonight. You just need God to strengthen you one day at a time. Isaiah 41:10 says, So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. Read that again. I will strengthen you. Not, you need to be stronger. Not, try harder tomorrow. I will strengthen you. God doesn't ask you to find strength you don't have. He promises to give you the strength you need right when you need it. Tonight, you don't need to worry about Tuesday, Wednesday, or the rest of the week. You just need to trust that God will strengthen you tomorrow, the same way He did today. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for 3 seconds. Now, exhale slowly. Let your body relax into the bed. Father, it's Monday night, and I'm already exhausted. Today took more from me than I expected. I thought I could handle it, but it broke me more than I wanted to admit. Lord, I made it through today, but barely. And now I'm lying here afraid of tomorrow, afraid I won't have the strength, afraid I'll fail, afraid I'll break under the pressure again. But your word says, do not fear, for you are with me. So tonight, Father, I release the fear of tomorrow. I release the fear that I won't be strong enough. I release the fear that I'll mess up. I release the fear that I can't handle what's coming. I release the fear that this week will crush me. God, I don't have strength for tomorrow, but I don't need it tonight, because you promised to strengthen me when I need it. Right now, I imagine all the fear I'm carrying about tomorrow. I see it clearly, sitting heavy on my chest. The worry, the doubt, the exhaustion, the pressure. And one by one, I lift them off. One by one, I give them to you. I release tomorrow into your hands. Lord, I give you Tuesday before it even starts. I give you the meetings I'm nervous about. I give you the tasks I don't know how to finish. I give you the conversations I'm dreading. I give you the pressure I'm already feeling. I trust that you will strengthen me when I wake up. Not because I'm capable, not because I have it all figured out, but because you are my God and you promised to help me. Father, quiet my anxious mind tonight. Slow my racing heart. Release the tension in my shoulders. Let peace settle where fear has been sitting. Where there is exhaustion, pour strength. Where there is fear, pour courage. Where there is doubt, pour confidence. Where there is worry, pour peace. Where there is weakness, pour your power. Where there is heaviness, pour rest. Let me sleep tonight without the weight of tomorrow. Let me wake up Tuesday morning strengthened by you, not by my own effort, but by your power. God, I don't need to be strong enough for the whole week. I just need you to strengthen me one day at a time. And tonight, I trust that you will do exactly that. I survived Monday. You will strengthen me for Tuesday. I do not fear tomorrow because God is with me. He will strengthen me when I wake up. I don't carry the weight of Tuesday tonight. I rest knowing God will help me when I need it. My weakness is not a problem. It's an invitation for God's strength. I sleep in peace because tomorrow's strength comes from Him. I wake up strengthened not by my effort, but by God's power. Tonight, I rest. Tomorrow, He strengthens me. Father, thank you for getting me through Monday. Thank you for the promise that you will strengthen me tomorrow. Thank you for not asking me to be strong on my own. Let me sleep deeply without fear or worry. Guard my rest, restore my body, renew my mind. Let me wake up Tuesday morning filled with the strength only you can give. In Jesus' name, amen. If you're trusting God to strengthen you tomorrow, type "He strengthens me" in the comments. And come back tomorrow night at 10 p.m. Tuesday's prayer is waiting for you. You survived Monday. God will strengthen you for Tuesday.